Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World, and today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing a new Kenwood conventional microwave. This microwave consists of a lot of cool features, such as having a 20-litre capacity, having jog and button controls, having an auto cook program, and has 800 watts as its microwave power. Firstly, we have quick start cooking. Secondly, we have defrosting. Thirdly, we have kitchen timer. Next, we have two-stage cooking. Then we have microwave cooking. And then we have setting the child lock. And then we have clock setting. And then lastly, we have product overview.